Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll in order to find passwords and security. As you can see in this panel we've got the fingerprint unlock located right here, so simply tap on it, and here we've got the very first step of adding the fingerprint. And if you've got the screen lock currently set, no worries, you will be just transferred to another step. If not, then you really have to do it right now, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device without going through the hard reset operation, which will completely wipe out all the data. So choose the pattern, pen or password, just tap on the option like to set. I will pick the pattern, and actually here we've got the information to remember your password, so exactly what I've just said. So tap on got it. Here we have to set the pattern, so let me draw it, redraw it and confirm. And here we've got the first step of actually adding our fingerprint to the device's memory. So we have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button on the side of our device. So let me do it. And as you can see, I have to do it multiple times in order to add my fingerprint fully. So keep tapping. Okay, and here we have to actually enroll our finger in order to add all of the edges of it, of course, for better recognition. So try to enroll your finger and catch the areas which haven't been saved. Okay, and as you can see, we just successfully added our fingerprint. Here we can rename it if you want to, but if not, no worries, you will be able to do it later on. So simply tap on done, and we've just been transferred to the fingerprint settings. This is the fingerprint we just added, and here by tapping you can rename it again, or not again. So let me do it right here. Just tap on this tick icon in the right upper corner to confirm. What's more, as you can see here, you can also remove the fingerprint, so it's up to you. Here you can also add another fingerprint. So in this device we've got a chance to save more than 2 or 3 probably fingerprints, about 5. Under it we've got the recognition method. So after tapping on it you can see 2 different options. We've got the touch and press. The touch, which is marked right now, it means that you will be able to unlock your device only with tapping your finger on the power button. But after choosing the press option, then you will be able to unlock it, but after putting your finger on it with the fingerprint you saved and pressing it. So let me leave it the touch because it's more simple. And under it we've got also the use fingerprint for, so here you can decide for what you want to use it. So you can use it for privacy, password, app lock and fingerprint payments. Obviously you can turn it on or off just by tapping on those switchers. It's really up to you which option you like to set. I will leave it like this. So let's lock our device and let's check if it is working. So since it is locked, let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we just successfully added our fingerprint, and the fingerprint sensor works perfectly fine. So as I said, you will be also able to unlock your device using the pattern in my case, because if I will put let's pretend that the fingerprint sensor do not work, then you will still be able to unlock it just drawing the pattern. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.